In this video, we are going to see about company features and its configurations on Tally ERP9. Welcome to Study with me. I'm Shrikant. Let's get into the video. First, this is the Tally startup screen. You all know we're working in work in educational mode. Once you log in, first step you have to create a company. You can plus Alt plus F3 to create a company and plus and click on create company. The company creation scheme will be appear. As you all know how to create a company, already we made a video of it. Let's name it the company as Shrikant no, Sri Trading Company. First slowly we can give it as Tamil Nadu Pin we can directly press Ctrl plus C. Come back to once you created a company. Yeah. Once you created a company in Tally ERP9, the next step would be setting up the Tally ERP9 features and configurations. These are set of options that help you to optimize your uses of Tally ERP9. Features in Tally ERP9 are set of capability provided as options. They enable you to maintain a financial record as per your business needs. The company features menu can be accessed by clicking the F11 features or just clicking F11 in your keyboard. Once you click F11 in your keyboard, you can see the company features were 5: accounting features, inventory features, statutory features, TS features, and add-on features. We're going to see one by one. On accounting features, you have to select a company. I select the Street Trading Company. Once the company is selected, it is shown in the above which company is selected and which companies we are working on the features. Once we working on the features of we can work on a single company features. First, accounts maintain only, we have to change it as yes, and integrated accounts and integration will be no. Use income and expenditure instead of profit and loss account. It is used for section 8 companies, which is for non-profit organizations. I'm going to make another video of it, and if I recorded before you are seeing this, the link in the description. Otherwise, it will be noted in another new video. Once you subscribe and press the bell icon, you can get all the updates. Outstanding management, bill price details, yes, and all others we can left as per it is. We can check no for the check printing. We are not taking any check in the sums. In the future sums we are going to do, all others will be same as it is. Once you click Ctrl plus A, that is saved. Now you can see statutory taxations. Now you can see the inventory features as missing. So go to accounting features again, Street Trading Company again, press no, the accounts maintain only. Integrate the accounts and inventory plus yes. Control plus A, save, comes out, come to F11 features, you can see inventory features. Go for the inventory features, select a company, This is the inventory features. General integrating the account and inventions, storage classifications, order processing, invoicing, purchase management, sales management, other features all are here. From the same screen, you can go to statutory features also. Go press just F3 in your keyboard. Once you press F3, it is statutories and taxation. It is all about GST and taxes, TCS, excise duty, service taxes, PAN numbers and corporate identification number, identity numbers, all others are there. And going to make another video, a explanatory new video, a whole new video for GST alone and TDS alone. Know the basics and PAN and income tax, CIN. All these will be in the same video, single video. Within 15 minutes, I'm going to explain all those things in a separate video. We have F6 in add-on options. It is not available in educational version, so we don't want to know about more on that. So once you created a company, go to accounting feature, company account, accounts maintain only should be in yes. Keep this on mind, accounts only say yes. So just say control plus C. This saved. Come back to the gateway of Tally. Now we see all options of company features, F11 features. Now we are going to see about F12 configurations. A configuration in Tally ERP9 are options that help you to modify the way of features works. Configuration menu can be accessed by clicking F12 features or pressing F12 in your keyboard. Once you press the F12, your configurations will be listed: general, numerical symbols, accounts and inventory infos, voucher entries, invoice and order entries, payroll configuration, banking configuration, printing, email, data configurations, advanced configuration, product and features, licensing. These are the options available in configuration. Once you go for a general option, it will help you to the countries, in which country you are accounting, naming style, format of dates, format of numbers, table configuration, import and export configurations, other options as showing graph and monthly reports using separate menu for final account statements, alerts, some numbers of alerts. So we can leave as it is. Number symbols, we can go for these number symbols. We can, if you want to change something, we can change. In debit amount, symbol for a debit, credit amount of a negative, positive number. So voucher entries, the skip date failed during the creation of fast entries. If you press yes, we don't need to give the date on those vouchers while we are entering. This is the easiest way to go on. You can come out of it. Invoice and order entries. Once you can view and see, it is very easier for you to know and to observe it all. General function, export options, inventories options, statutory options. Statutory is for taxations. Generally, it will give you the bill allocations, consolidated stock items and the same rate, compute the unit items, turnover achieved with customers. So some generally for business needs. Likewise, payroll, banking, printing, email, data configuration and advanced configurations. Payroll is, once we do payroll sums, I can explain these features, these configurations. Okay, banking shows all unrecognized transactions in our BRS till date. Yes, Printing. Printing. Once you click printing, it comes out with what you want to print. Payment vouchers. So once we do sums, we can print on the same screen itself. We can do emailing. Once we have our email server, when it is connected with our Tally API 9, we can give our reports in email itself using Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail. Likewise, the F12 features and F11 features and F12 configuration videos is done. We know about all these, how, wow, why it is great, why it is there, and what they can do. The features and configurations. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe, press that bell icon, share, comment. Stay tuned for the next video. Be safe, all the best.